Ever wondered why your feline friend freaks out at the sound of a blender or a loud thunderclap? Well, it's all down to their extraordinary ears. You see, cats have a truly remarkable sense of hearing. Their ears are like finely tuned instruments, capable of picking up a symphony of sounds that our human ears could only dream of hearing. Imagine this, being able to hear the faintest mouse squeak from a distance or the soft flutter of a butterfly's wings. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? But this superpower comes with a downside. When the noise level cranks up, it's like a rock concert in their ears. So, that blender or thunderclap you barely blink at, to your cat, it's an earth-shattering roar. It's no wonder then that our feline companions can get stressed or fearful when the decibels rise. Knowing this, wouldn't you want to find ways to make your cat more comfortable when the noise gets a little too much? Now, understanding the problem is one thing, but what can you actually do to help your cat? Well, the first step is to create a safe space. Cats are territorial animals and they feel more secure in familiar surroundings. Designate a quiet room or corner of your house where your feline friend can retreat to whenever loud noises occur. Make it cozy with their favorite blanket or bed, and ensure it's equipped with necessities like water, food, and a litter box. Next, consider noise-canceling products. These come in a variety of forms, from earmuffs designed for pets to white noise machines. These can help reduce the intensity of the sound, making it less stressful for your cat. Remember, it's important to introduce these items gradually and in a positive manner, so your cat doesn't associate them with the scary sounds. Thirdly, providing distractions can be an effective way to help your cat cope with loud noises. Toys, interactive games, or even a window perch with a view can all take your cat's mind off the noise. However, it's essential to remember that what works for one cat may not work for another. So, experiment with different distractions to find what your cat prefers. For extreme cases, don't hesitate to consult with a vet. If your cat is showing signs of severe distress during loud events, it may be time to seek professional advice. Your vet can provide further guidance on calming techniques and, if necessary, prescribe anti-anxiety medication. Finally, patience is key. Helping your cat to cope with loud noises won't happen overnight. It's a gradual process that requires understanding and persistence. Be there to comfort your cat, show them love, and reinforce the idea that they are safe. Over time, this can significantly reduce their fear and anxiety. By following these steps, you can help your cat feel more at ease, even in noisy situations. Let's quickly revisit what we've learned today. We've delved into the world of cats and their heightened sensitivity to noise, a characteristic tied to their keen predatory instincts. This sensitivity, while beneficial in the wild, can lead to stress and anxiety in our domestic settings, particularly when confronted with loud, unexpected sounds. In response, we've explored several practical steps to help our feline friends cope. These included creating a safe, quiet space for your cat to retreat to, the use of noise-masking techniques such as low-volume music or white noise, and the potential benefits of desensitization therapy, where gradually introducing your cat to the frightening noise can help them become less reactive over time. Remember, every cat is unique. What works for one might not work for another, but with patience and understanding, you can help your feline friend navigate the noisy world around them. So, the next time your cat seems scared of a loud noise, you'll know exactly what to do. You've been armed with knowledge and practical steps to help your furry friend navigate their fears. But hey, we're all learning and growing together in this wonderful world of pet parenting. So if you have any personal experiences or unique tips that helped your cat overcome their fear of loud noises, we'd love to hear them. Remember, patience is key. Understanding your cat's fears won't happen overnight, but with time and efforts, you'll build an even stronger bond. And isn't that what caring for our pets is all about? So let's continue the conversation. Drop a comment below. Share your stories, your successes, and even your struggles. And don't forget to share this video with other cat parents too. That's all for today, cat lovers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful cat care tips. Until next time, keep those purrs coming.